Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the bud stitch, which is a pretty stitch done in multiples of 2, and it combines a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. This is done in double knitting, and I'm going to demonstrate using the same yarn, which is a combination of cotton and eucalyptus. It's my favourite yarn of the moment. So do a slip knot in the usual way, leaving a tail for weaving in, and you're going to chain a multiple of 2. So I'm just going to do 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And in the second chain from the hook, you're going to do a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. So in this stitch, 1, 2, a single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, then a double crochet, which is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're then going to skip the next chain and do the same single crochet, double crochet combination in the next stitch. So single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then the double, yarn over this time, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip a stitch, single crochet, insert your hook straight away, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip a chain here, single crochet and a double crochet. Whoops, this is quite slippery, this yarn. Has very good stitch definition. Skip a chain, single crochet and a double crochet. So unlike the Suzette stitch or the crawler stitch, you're actually, which go into separate stitches with this combination, you're going in the same stitch and then skipping a stitch. So it's slightly different. It's a similar repeat pattern. If you look on my stitch playlist, you'll find other stitches which are combinations of single and double crochets. This one, I have to say, I think is easier. Single and a double and a single, sorry about that, tail's getting in the way, single and a double. If you're using acrylic yarn or wool, it'll be that much easier than using this slightly slippery fabric. So we've got one more left. single and when you get to the last 2 stitches, you do a single and your double is in the last stitch, not in the same stitch. That just gives you a nice firm edge. So only the last stitch is slightly different. So you do a normal single and double in the same stitch, skip a stitch, and then you do a single in one stitch, one chain, and a double in the final one. And that's your only difference right at the end of the row. We then chain 1 and turn our work. Now let's just have a look at this before we turn. So we've got ups and downs all the way across as we're doing the different stitches with the little gaps in between. So chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, just here, right next to where you've done the chain, and a double in the same stitch, skip a stitch, and then you're going to do your repeat single and double in this stitch. Now you can tell if you've got it right because it's the slightly longer stitch at the top. And there's a little gap here. So you're going to do your single and your double in here. And then look for this slightly longer stitch here. Go slightly to the left of this bar. And you're going to pick up those 2 strands just here with your single and double. Single and a double. Single and double in the next top of the previous double crochet, single and a double. Now you might want to turn your work to check that each of your stitches looks the same, just in case you're not placing your hook in exactly the right place. So you're placing it in here. Single, double, single and double. That's rather loose, that one. I'm just going to redo that double. Single and double. When we get to the last 2 stitches, we're going to do a single in that last stitch, and then our double will be in this end stitch here in your turning chain, giving you that nice flat edge. Chain 1 and turn. So the last 2 stitches slightly different. Let's do one more row, starting at the base of this turning chain, a single and a double, into the next double from the previous row, a single and a double. Keep finding this sloping pair of stitches. This one here, the other one goes up the other way slightly. And that bar below the stitch is slightly more prominent on the double crochet from the row below, and that's an indication of exactly where you need to place your hook. If you go slightly to the left, you'll find that more easily. And to be quite honest, if you make one little mistake, no one's going to know. Don't worry about it. If you spot a little mistake, every handcrafted piece has got 1 or 2 mistakes in. But nearly did the mistake, didn't I? 1 single crochet there, and then my last double crochet in that final stitch, just there. 1 chain and turn. So there we have it. This is the bud stitch. I think it's a really super pretty stitch. It looks like these little buds emerging from different angles, depending on whether it's this row or the other side. It looks great on both sides, so it's symmetrical, which is lovely. It's great for maybe a baby blanket would be lovely made out of this. You could use a soft acrylic baby yarn. I think it's got a lot of applications. So if you've enjoyed learning the bud stitch, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Take care.